How's it going, guys? I'm Coach Sean. Today we're going to do a super quick, super fast, super healthy and fresh teriyaki salmon. The only preparation needed really is mincing a clove of garlic, so we're going to get straight into that. So we're just going to really finely chop a piece of garlic. There's no need to spend ages on these sort of meals. Teriyaki is so popular now, I absolutely love this, and it's done in under 10 minutes, start to finish. That includes cooking the salmon, and we're going to pan fry it today. So we're going to mix the soy sauce, honey and the garlic together, rub it over the salmon and let the salmon sit in there for a good 10 minutes. We're just going to eyeball this in, roughly 1/3 honey to a full part of soy sauce. There we go. We're going to put the garlic in there. We're not going to put any salt in this because the soy sauce is so salty, and we're just going to literally mix that soy sauce and honey together with the salmon. This will make sure it's all coated. It'll be covered in the little garlic pieces, and you can see there it's completely covered already. But what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit, fillet side down, skin side up, in that marinade, roughly an hour, minimum 10 minutes. Sit it in the fridge, then we're going to pan fry it. So that's the fillet of salmon there, marinated in the soy sauce, honey and garlic. We left that in there for 1 hour, and now we're going to go straight into the pan. Nice hot pan, good glug of olive oil. And what we're going to do is carefully lay it down. Always lay it away from yourself. Hear that nice sizzle, skin side down first. Turn that down ever so slightly. So we've got a medium to high heat, and we're just going to leave that for 4 or 5 minutes. We're not going to waste this sauce. We're going to keep a little bit, throw it over there. So we just want to leave this, but every now and again, just catch all the juices that are around the side and the oil. But really, we just want to sit it there. You can see it's starting to cook already. That skin's going to be lovely and crispy. So now I'm going to turn this over. That's been 5 minutes. It's going to look pretty charred, the skin, but that's because we're using the soy sauce and the honey there. We're just going to flip that, add a little bit more of the marinade on there. Lovely. And then cook that for another 4 or 5 minutes. While this bit's cooking, you want to put your microwave rice in the microwave 2 minutes and get that ready to lay the salmon on top. So there's the finished article. 4 to 5 minutes on each side, frying it with all the ingredients there. The soy sauce, the honey and the garlic. It's as simple and as easy as that. Under 10 minutes, a full meal, nice and healthy, fresh, done.